Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Sentra battery. Before you begin, gather your tools like a wrench and safety glasses. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a level surface. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. Always prioritize safety first when working with car batteries. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. Remember, always disconnect the negative cable before the positive. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp to free the battery from its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring a snug fit. Almost done, reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp to keep the battery firmly in place. Double-check both positive and negative terminal connections to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.